Hello, I'm Iris Arrington with Ideally Simple Decor, and this is our first Christmas in July 2021 video. Please like, subscribe, and enjoy.
Before you start putting your lights on, you want to make sure that your lights are straightened out, no tangles, everything is in order. After you establish your first set of these type of lights on your small tree, you want to start at the beginning, wrapping it from here, which is the plug part or your power part. This is the beginning of one of my lights. So I'm going to take it down in the back here, and wrap it around this limb. It's a wire, just wrap it around this limb. Then I'm going to bring it out. See that? Let me see, make sure you can see that. I'm going to move all these limbs back so you can see the one I'm working on. Here's the beginning of my wire. I wrap it around the limb to the back, and it has a light on the end of it. Then I'm wrapping this around the limb. Here's my light. So I'm going to wrap it so that my light ends up on the tip. And because I'm going down my tree for lighting this, I'm going to take this wire right back to the back, just like this. Take it on the next limb, up under that limb, bring it back around, and I'm going to make sure it's tight in the back so that my wire does not fall down. It's tight in the back, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to wrap it, wrap it, wrap it, so that my light, which is right here, is going to end up on the tip. At the bottom half of this, I'm taking my wire down, and because these limbs are longer, I'm stretching that one out, and there's a light here, so I'm going to take this light, wrap it just a little closer so it's at the tip. Taking it down through the inside, take it down through the inside like that, holding it in place. Using my other finger to hold it there, I'm going to wrap my wire back, tighten it up, and then wrap it down my limb so that I have a light on the tip. And there's my light on the tip. Then I'm going to take it back and do the same thing. Going down this section, because I'm going down the front of the tree. Down the section, wrap it, wrap it, wrap it, until my light is on the tip. Here's my light, it's on my tip. Then I'm going to take my wire back again, and I'm taking it down to the next branch. I'm trying to get in here so I can show you how to do this. This was the last limb that I put it on. So I'm taking my wire back, and I'm going to put my finger in there, and I'm going to wrap that first wrap is going to be tight. It's going to be tight back there like that, and then I'm going to come up my limb. See, there's a light there, and I've got wire, and this is my next light here. So I'm going to take in short, make sure that that goes on the tip. Then I'm going to take this straight back and do the same thing like I did. Hold the wire back here in the back to the next limb, down here to the next limb, and wrap it tight. And that's the end of our lights on this string. This is how you want your wires to look coming down your tree. See how they're just as close to your limbs as possible? That's how you want your wires to look. So here's a still picture of it. Of course, the lights are blinking on and off, and some spots look like there's no lights. But believe me, this tree is covered with lights. Make sure that when you put your pieces on, that your battery pack is a slender battery pack, and try to position all your battery packs in the same area. If you're starting from the front, take your battery pack through your tree to the back of your tree, and then go back to the front and rewind it. Wind your limbs with the lights. That way, when you start turning on your lights, if you have to use a number of sets, you will have all of your battery packs in the same spot. Enjoy. Have a blessed day. Well, thank you for watching this short video. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Ideally Simple Decor. We'll see you on Monday.